To all y'all that donated to the Brick Lady, it looked like she had a wonderful time on vacation with y'all money. Yes, I want to say that. And I don't want to, I don't feel bad. I feel unapologetic. Yes, she had a good time spending y'all money. When I said y'all be patient, wait on it, it don't sound right, okay? Y'all was hating on me, calling me all types of names, telling me I'm not right. How dare I just not believe my sister? This is the nonsense y'all say. Believe all women. Look at this foolery. Look at this nonsense. And she on the run. I hope they catch her. I hope they catch her. Yes. I'm not listening. Listen, I hope they catch her. And I'm glad she duped all of y'all. Take heed to the message.